Alright, hey YouTube, I'm just going to show you how to root your Android device. It's pretty easy to use. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your settings and you want to go to security, which is right here. Where is it? Right here, click on security, and you want to allow unknown sources, so you can install third-party apps. So that's like off Google Chrome. Make sure that's ticked. Okay, then you go back and or you go to Google Chrome, so you can download the rooting application. It's called KingRoot. There'll be a link in the description, so you should just click on that and that should take you there. And you don't need a computer whatsoever to do this. It's very easy. It's just a one click. Oh yeah, taking me here. Right, well, so anyways, you just click on this website, kingroot.net. Free download. You click on that and then this thing should pop up at the bottom. I already have it, so I'm not going to download it again. So you just click OK, download that, and then install it. And keep in mind that this rooting app does work a lot of the times. The only thing is it can void your warranty, and I've never heard of it breaking a device, but I don't know if it can or not. But just be cautious, do this at your own risk. And what else? Yeah, you can like delete all like these bloatware apps, like because Samsung comes with pre-installed apps that you can't delete. Yeah, it's very easy to use. I'd recommend like using a charge lead, because you don't know how long it takes. You just click on the KingRoot app, and yeah, I mean it works on a lot of devices, but like someone has to actually like program or do something to root it for this specific device. So like it may work on your device, it may not. Like I have another phone, I tried to root it, it doesn't work because there's no rooting. If that doesn't work and you really want to root it, you probably have to connect it to a computer, which is like kind of a bit of a hassle, like especially for those of you that don't have. Alright, so when you open this app, if it will ever open, right, here we go. This thing will show up, right? My device is already rooted. Like as soon as I started the app, it just started rooting, so it might happen with you. So you want to click at this thing at the top left, and then okay, so here, I don't know if you can see, there will be a button here called like try to root. So you just want to click on that button, and basically it's going to try and root your phone. Okay, and it will take you to this page, and then it will download the root from the internet. So you do need Wi-Fi to do this, and your phone may restart. Maybe sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So that's all you have to do to root it. So you just like download the app. There'll be like a button here. If there's no button, it'll automatically install. So like my phone's already rooted. Might do another video of like what stuff you can do to root your phone. You can do like quite a bit, you know, like you can kick people off your Wi-Fi. It's pretty cool. So basically that's how you root your phone. Sorry that you couldn't see me like root it with you guys, but that's how you do it. It's really easy. And then afterwards you can like delete. You should be able to delete like the Galaxy apps, Samsung apps, and are quite annoying. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope this worked. It's pretty easy to use. I mean, all you have to do is just download an app and click it. How hard can that be? So anyways, thanks, and see ya.